Okay, what's your name, sir? Willie Mack?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Mack, you have some traffic matters which you failed to appear in court for. As a result of your failure to appear, warrants for your arrest were issued. Court's going to set aside this arrest warrant, give you personal bond, and each of these misdemeanor matters that carries a maximum penalty of 93 days in jail and or a $500 fine. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be against you. And right to an attorney. You can't afford an attorney one way or appointed on behalf. The tickets are P143-9526. Driver license suspended. Ticket P143-9527. Supplying false information to the officer. Ticket P151-7620. Driving the rest of motor vehicle. No insurance, misdemeanor, driver license not valid. And all these tickets, sir, you're going to personal bond, no dollar amount. Pre-trial, 9 a.m., January 24th, in front of Judge Michael Wagner. Now you have two cases. The first one is larceny in the building, and it's Attorney General case. It's case number 240-607-3801. And then the second case is not an Attorney General case. It's case number 240-599-6501. Cleveland Michigan versus Willie Mack, weapons, firearm, larceny. Habitual fourth or fifth notice. Appearances, please.
Samuel A. Reagan for the people, Your Honor.
Praying on behalf of Mr. Mack, Your Honor, waive the grievance stamp. He has been advised of his rights.
Okay, court will enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Mack on both of these. With respect to the Attorney General case, Mr. Reagan, we're going to start there first. He's accused of larceny of building, stealing, the accusation of stealing $12,500 worth of casino chips from the Greektown Casino. What is your bond argument on that?
Judge, you know my position. It's a non-assaultive case. It's a larceny. We're at arraignment. We're not at trial. You know, it's going to play itself out. You know, no contact with the casino. I'm asking for a personal bond for Mr. Mack. I don't think that that's a situation that necessarily needs a cash bond per se. He's employed every day at Chrysler. He got a lot of kids. Mr. Mack, you got a lot of kids. You know, he needs to work, Judge, and take care of his kids. He got 12 kids, so he needs
what's a lot?
12. He got 12.
I told you I got more than that.
Got more than that. I don't know. So,
Yes, sir.
So yeah, he needs to be working at Chrysler, Judge, and
Okay.
so I'd ask for a personal bond for him in this particular case, Judge.
He does need to be working.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, I agree with you. All right, $10,000 personal bond, no contact with the Greektown Casino on that case. All right, now for the other case, Mr. Ragnar, what is your bond recommendation on this case?
Well, Your Honor, my bond recommendation is $50,000 personal bond with a tether with work release. The higher bond I'm asking for a personal bond is because 11/15/24 he was sentenced for police assaulting, resisting, obstructing. He's got 2 years probation on that, so he's on probation. He's a HAB 4. He's got previous fleeing and so on. So we're just asking for a tether. He's on probation, and I think a tether should be imposed, Your Honor, for him to have work release. Thank you.
And Judge, the only reason I'm not asking for a tether, if he's on probation, again, this is a larceny. It's a non-assaultive case. If he's being monitored on probation, then let probation monitor him. As long as he comes to court, and it sounds like he comes to court for his court dates, Judge doesn't miss court. So that's my concern. Come to court, Mr. Mack. I just would have asked for a personal bond as Mr. Rack.
Yeah, I haven't asked for a cash bond, which I think we could have here, but I think, Your Honor, that he here he is having a gun charge, and he's still being sentenced on another charge after that. I mean, I think that's a dangerous situation. Thank you.
Okay.
That case is old, man.
Hey, Mr. Mack. Mr. Mack, calm down.
I just want to
Nobody was talking to you.
Huh?
Just be quiet.
Hold on, Mr. Mack.
Okay. All right, thanks.
All right. You're gonna talk your way to a cash bond. $50,000 personal bond $50,000 personal bond. Mr. Mack is correct. The incident is September 25th, and the charges, the prosecutor did not approve charges on this till over a year later. So that's why no tether at this time. Probable cause, January 3rd, preliminary examination, January 8th, both in front of Judge Taylor. No weapons while this case is pending. Step aside, Mr. Mack.
Those are for
Yes.
both cases.